What is an antivirus? How does an antivirus work? How do you choose the right antivirus to use? What are the best ways to put an antivirus to use? You're welcome to Cyber Culture Interface. Today we are looking at all these things I mentioned about antivirus. What's the essence of having an antivirus? To start with, antivirus is basically like your digital protector that helps to protect your files and programs, your computer, your devices. In some cases, it protects the network devices that you've configured into your network. So an antivirus is basically your digital protector. It's like your shield from cyber threats, shielding you from cyber threats that are existing. And in today, we have the various several numbers of thousands, if not more, of viruses, worms, malwares parading the internet. So you can consider an antivirus like your digital shield. It's like your frontline defense that is scanning your programs, scanning files on your system, scanning through your defenses in real time to detect any form of potential danger and do what and eliminate in the time. So why do you need an antivirus? Why do you need to do this to your system? Basically, the number one reason is for protection of your digital assets. And when I talk about digital assets, I'm talking about your personal information. I'm talking about your bio data. I'm talking about your financial records, your health records, any form of your company assets, your confidential, emails or confidential documents that you have stored in your devices. How does antivirus actually work? To achieve confidentiality and also to maintain the integrity of your files and also make sure that these files are not corrupted, they are available. There are three things that you need to take note when you're considering how antivirus works. The first thing is it uses signature-based method. It uses what we call behavioral analysis and also heuristics. And when you're talking about signature-based, what are you saying? Having a database of known malware signatures. It's like you have a wanted list. It's like this wanted list is made up of signatures of malwares or viruses or files or worms or files that have been known to be virus that are known to be dangerous for your system. So anytime your antivirus is scanning your files, scanning your system, what is done is comparing your files with this signature of known malwares or known potentially dangerous files. So when it compares and it finds any file, it scans your system and it finds any file that has the same signature as this one that he has on his list, it flags it, it either removes the file or isolates it completely, maybe can archive it or render the file inactive so that it cannot affect your system. The second way it works is behavioral analysis. The antivirus scans each of your files and program to check how they operate and watch and observing the things that this file do. For example, a good example is if a file is suddenly trying to access a large number of other files. Maybe a program in your system is trying to open like 20 files at the same time. That's a funny behavior, and a suspicious behavior. So antivirus quickly isolates such a program. So it analyzes the behavior of the files and program in your system to check that the behavior matches what it's supposed to do or what a normal file is supposed to do in that case. Then the third method, in which antivirus works is heuristic. So basically, this is like having a list of instinct, or having like a set of instincts that tells a file or tells the antivirus what to do. This method helps an antivirus to even detect malwares that are not known before. A good example, if a file suddenly tries to open a restricted file in your system, the particular file that the program is trying to access is not the common file that you usually access, maybe from that particular domain or by that particular user. So an antivirus uses investigative instincts, use them to determine whether what the file is doing is suspicious or not. So these three methods, the signature-based, behavioral analysis, and these heuristics are being used by antivirus, combined together in a form of algorithm to check and scan and protect your systems. How do you choose an antivirus to use? One of the things you need to look out for when you're choosing an antivirus is real-time updates. Does the antivirus do real-time updates? Does it update itself regularly? Because these malwares and new malwares are coming out every day. New viruses, new one. People are developing new of these things every day. So the updates, the antivirus must be so that it has a very good database that is being updated consistently. Another thing you need to look at is how easy for you to download this antivirus. Check the compatibility, check the real-time scanning. Does this antivirus scan your system in real time? Does it continuously scan the system, or some antivirus that can be dormant in your system for a while? So is it conducting real-time scanning? Is the antivirus compatible with your system? Does it have features that match what your policy in your organization or in your business requires? Best practices for using antivirus. It's not just enough for you to have an antivirus that will scan, or that you use to scan your system once. You need to consciously conduct regular scans for your system. Make sure that you initiate the scan from time to time. Also, make sure that your system or your antivirus is such that it is updating. Check it that it's updating itself regularly, and also be cautious about downloading antivirus. This is another key thing. There are a lot of antivirus out there too that are actually acting maybe like as a backdoor. They are not serving the purpose. They are virus in themselves, or malwares in themselves, designed to protect, to pretend, or to project itself like an antivirus. So when you download such and you install your system, you are exposing yourself. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Cyber Culture Interface, where we talk about everything cybersecurity to help beginners and help professionals in the cybersecurity journey. Please like this video if you found this video useful. Please like this video and share with your friends, and please subscribe so that we can churn out more content. Watch out for other videos about how to become cybersecurity professional, the training resources that you need to put together for 2024.